Oh yeah. Naghahanap ka ba ng Amazon training na may kasamang internship at saka yung may feel mo talaga ano ba talagang ginagawa ng Amazon Virtual Assistant? Are you a side hustler or meron kang corporate job, full-time job, or nag-work as a BPO and you wanna turn your part-time gig into a full-fledged freelancing business? If this is you, then I might be able to help you out. Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy-to-follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Every day, nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos sa pwedeng nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Usapan natin yung tinatanong ni John Carlo na parang napakatagal ng question, ngayon ko lang masasagot. Nagbo-bootcamp din po ba kayo ng Amazon VA? I'm not sure anong difference ng bootcamp with the class that we're offering, but just for starters, ang kagandahan guys sa Amazon is that a lot of times it's very flexible in terms of schedule. There's a high demand right now because when pandemic happened, parang ang nangyari is na-double yung seller sa Amazon. So Amazon being one of the largest online marketplace, kumbaga times 1,000 siguro ng Shopee, ang laki talaga ng Amazon. A lot of sellers need assistance in managing their business effectively. Yung demand tuloy ngayon ng Amazon Virtual Assistant is growing rapidly. Also in Amazon, there are lucrative opportunities na pwede ninyong gawin whether you're looking for part-time or full-time. And karamihan sa positions na to, non-voice. Yung mga sellers, they strive to optimize their product lists, and I think yung product listing, enhancing customer service, managing inventory, fulfillment, handling customer reviews, navigating advertising campaign, this and more, they need a virtual assistant to help them out. Kasi sobrang dami ng ginagawa sa isang e-com business pa lang. Imagine if meron pa silang iba't ibang storefront. Ang kagandahan sa Amazon is yung flexibility niya in terms of hours and yung location. So isa sa kauna-unahang nag-outsource ng mga ginagawa nila sa loob ng negosyo ay Amazon sellers. So in return, etong posisyon na Amazon Virtual Assistant gives you work-life balance. Ideal siya para do sa mga gusto ng sariling work schedule or yung mga gusto na lang talagang makaalis sa constraints of traditional office job. Yung corporate job, ganon. Although not many people do freelancing because of that, but it's part of who we are and what we want to be. Pag marunong kang mag-handle ng e-commerce business, you have a valuable skill set that would be applicable to any type of e-commerce business, including Amazon. You gain a lot of expertise in time, such as product research, inventory management, customer service, data analytics, advertising campaigns, and this opens doors to a variety of opportunities, hindi lang sa Amazon. So, pwedeng Amazon ka mag-start, tapos lipat ka sa ibang e-commerce platform na gusto mong i-service, or maggaling ka sa ibang e-commerce platform, gusto mong mag-niche down to Amazon. Either or, gumagana siya. Working as an Amazon Virtual Assistant allows freelancers to develop and refine their organizational skills, communication, problem-solving, multitasking skills, and you also gain exposure to the dynamic world of e-commerce and learn how to navigate a highly competitive marketplace, enhancing your professional growth and adaptability. By acquiring the necessary knowledge and skills to become an Amazon Virtual Assistant, aspiring freelancers can tap into thriving market, access diverse opportunities, and build a rewarding career in the e-commerce industry. If you guys are interested to learn how to do Amazon Virtual Assistants, we actually have a class na merong kasamang internship. So, let's start with, ano nga ba nagaganap doon? Merong 2 days na live session. Yung live session, recorded yon, at pagkatapos bibigyan kayo ng kopya. After that, you guys will have 2 weeks of internship. So yes, may gagawin kayo mga tasks na ginagawa talaga ng mga Amazon Virtual Assistant. At pagkatapos, you guys will also have access to different materials na ipoprovide ni Coach Den dun sa class namin. Marami na siyang ginagawa talaga. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo yung ano niya, TikTok niya. But ang dami na niyang sinishare doon. And you guys will have access, first dibs, sa lahat ng mga pinagagagawa niya as an Amazon Virtual Assistant. Kasi lahat ng mentors namin dito, yung ino-offer namin na class, ginagawa talaga namin sa mga clients namin. If you guys wanna enroll, click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. If hindi gumana yan guys, i-copy and paste nyo na lang sa browser, or you can also try checking my Instagram. Ito naman siya.
If hindi gumana yung TikTok at Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook ko, hanapin nyo tong video na to, at yung mismong form for Amazon Level 3, ilalagay ko na lang doon sa caption. Ganun din naman sa YouTube, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. So, pag-click nyo ng link sa bio ko, it will open this page. Andito lahat ng free resources din, guys, sa upcoming events, paano umorder ng t-shirt and all that. But we are looking for open classes. Tapos, i-click nyo Amazon, nasa na yun? 999 Amazon Level 3. Pag-click nyo nung link na yan, it will take you to the Google form. So, nandun ang lahat ng kailangan nyo malaman about the class, yung pinakang course outline, yung next schedule. I think na-move to ng January ha, kasi speaking of your mentors being freelancers, napuno yata bigla yung schedule ni then for the month of December. Kasi ang hirap mag-schedule ng December holiday kasi. So, na-move na to January class. I think first or second week to. First weekend yata. Basta i-check nyo na lang yung schedule. Kasi alam ko lahat ng classes namin for January ay nasa first at second week lang ng January because team building kami ng third week. And doon din mangyayari yung freelancing plus content creation workshop sa Cebu. Anyway, I hope this answered your question. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home. Chismis. Bye!